Hello, hello, welcome to Adventure Resolve tutorial on how to add a echo to your voice. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. And then the next thing you want to go ahead and do is maybe slide over into your advanced audio properties and then turn on monitoring on. The reason why I say maybe is because you don't really need to do this. It's going to sound irritating for me, so I'm going to turn it off. Or not irritating for me, irritating for you because you're listening to me talking twice. And then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to want to look at the filter section in your mic and aux source and take a couple different looks here. So OBS doesn't come built in with any sort of thing that can make you echo naturally, but you can kind of mess with the audio filters to give yourself an echo, or you can download a VST plugin, which is what I've done. If you download FL Studio, it'll automatically give you a couple plugins that you can mess with. I downloaded one called the Auburn Sounds Grillion. We have other tutorials up on how to essentially use plugins. So if you want to learn how to download any sort of plugin and put it onto your OBS, we'll have a tutorial up for you to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my plugin, and then you want to open the plugin interface. And then from here, you can go ahead and change a bunch of different stuff and kind of give yourself an echo with the different reverb options on your plugin, essentially. And I'm not the greatest producer or anything like that, so I'm not going to be the best person to refer from as far as like how to get yourself sounding best, but they always seem to come with their own echo options, so that's going to be the easiest way to do it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. Other than that, though, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.